Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, the big dynamic that's occurred that I'm curious about going forward is, let's get this into play, but there had been this trend line that had formed right there. And you can see that had been a very stubborn area where whenever the price got up around there, price just couldn't really quite push through it. Can you reject it there, rejected earlier on, rejected. But as of the recording of this video, you can see a good solid break of that trend line. So now it becomes a very valid question going forward of, is this the start of something bigger? And I'm a little jealous of those of you that are watching this video, 15, 20 hours after I upload it, because you're gonna have a much better, idea of, was this the start of something bigger or was it not? So that's what the questions are gonna be, revolving around. So the first question to ask yourself is, let's use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. But question number one is, where is the price at relative to 9,300? 9,300 being important because as long as you're answering the question that the price is above 9,300, then that implies that this current breakout, nothing crazy has happened in the sense of, the price falling right back down below 9,300. So if the price is down below here, that just means that the price, it just wasn't a true breakout because the price is rolled right back over. Not saying that is what's going to occur. My point is that, is this breakout the start of something bigger? Well, let's just simply see if it can now maintain up above 9,300. With all that being said, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 9,300, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. I am just talking about in regards to the breakout that has occurred at the time of the recording of this video. But if you are answering the question that the price is down below 9,300, the next immediate question you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 8,900? And as long as you're answering the question that the price is still at least up above 8,900, then overall, yeah, a little disappointing that the breakout didn't really have any sort of, true momentum. But that's just, like I said, a little slice in time here. From an overall perspective, sure, disappointing, but it's not like the entire chart is epically destroyed or anything like that. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is severely below 8,900, that's a much different situation there where, yeah, things may be looking a little bit more shaky, but, just slightly below, the 9,300 mark, not the end of the world or anything like that. What about levels of resistance? So if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually still above 9,300, the next level that you would want to keep an eye on right up here at the 99.62 mark, or if you want to just round that up to 10,000. If you're answering the question that the price is up above the 10,000 mark, at that point, that would, certainly be implying, that not only was this breakout the start of something bigger, but everything has gotten that much bigger in and of itself. So kind of a common sense approach from that point of view. But overall, nice breakout of that trend line. Now let's just see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.